Hello everyone, my name is Nathan Crum. Today I'm going to be unboxing this J-3 ElectriCub 2 from Electrify by GreatPlane. So let's get started. Okay, so I guess the first thing to do here is let's just open it up and see what we've got inside. Okay, here we go. This is what the box looks like. And okay, this camera does not focus. Well, that's what the box looks like. Alright, let's see what's in here. We have a parts list. Very nice, very nice. Manual. I bet that's important. I bet these are the plans, so. Well, let's see what else we have. So, looks like we've got the cowling. I bet that's the cowling there. So, I don't know, it's a little dented right here. That makes me sad. Here, we've got some sort of, I bet this is to make it look like you've got an engine. What those pieces are. It's kind of decal pieces, so that's pretty neat. Bunch of rubber, looks like we got a couple of rubber bands, some screws. This is kind of fabricated cloth material. I think that's for the control surface hinges. So, I don't know. Some nylon bolts. So, a whole bunch of other stuff. Now, I do want to point out this thing does not come with motors, and it doesn't come with servos or anything like that. Well, I have to find that somewhere else by myself. So, alright, I think this is the next piece. I don't know what this is. That looks a clear windshield, I guess. Yeah, looks like we just got wood parts left. This is the first thing I see. Got some sort of woodcut stuff on, or laser cut pieces on top and on bottom. Whole bunch of balsa sticks. Alright, nice. And more balsa sticks. This looks like the biggest piece. A lot of woodcut parts here. So, it's kind of hard to... Okay, that's not woodcut. Next thing. More wood pieces. I don't know where that goes. Next up. More wood parts. Yeah, you can tell those are laser cut for sure. See, they'll just snap off like that. We've got that balsa piece. It's bending. Okay. Next up, little bag of miscellaneous wood parts that I guess will just get lost if they were by themselves. That's for the landing gear, I'd be willing to bet. Yeah, or it's for the front two landing gears. This is a tail wheel airplane after all. Wonder what kind of metal that's made out of. I'd say probably like some sort of steel. I doubt it'd be aluminum. I feel like this would be more flimsy if it was aluminum. These are the last wood pieces in here. Laser cut parts. So I guess these are parts that they need to be very structurally strong. Just have a few things left. We have these 4 rods, whatever they are. I don't know what these are used for. Oh, I know what these are used for. The struts from the wing, one from the fuselage to the wing. There's that right there. And we don't have that much left in the box, actually. So whatever this is, I'm not sure if this is just like some random thing that ended up. Oh, it might be for like if I have to do some sort of fiberglass work. I bet that's what that is. I'm not throwing that away. I think it's important. And then we've got a little bit left. Okay. So I bet that's a piece of clear plastic there. Alright, and one thing left. Let's see. Okay, so it's like a questionnaire, I guess. Alright, and last thing, we have some very nice decals. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you're interested in watching me build this airplane, stay tuned to my channel, Nathan Crum.